But I like Hebrew and Yiddish in the same way. So it's hard to choose which language is more important to me, because when you go to the Israel, it's normal that you will use only Hebrew. Maybe when you go to the Mea Shearim, maybe you will find Orthodox Jewish people or something like that, and then you could use your Yiddish. But not at all. In Israel, you usually speaks Hebrew, and it's important to me to know that language to communicate with them. But Yiddish, it's more private for me, because I can lie in my home, take a book in Yiddish, and have a connection with those writers, because they writing about stuff which really interests me. And I think that it's true that Yiddish is more intimate. Yes, it's true that Yiddish is more intimate language, and Hebrew is for the field of religion and communication to other people. But I think that I don't prefer Hebrew or Yiddish. It's the same for me.